Hello, welcome to Mother Earth. In this video, we'll be making hibiscus tea and shining a light on the benefits of this tasty tea, as well as a special twist to it in the end. Hibiscus, also known as sorrel for my West Indian folks, aka Himica for the Hispanics. I actually bought this from a Hispanic international market. Shout out to them. Also known as Karkade for North Africans, has received love from a lot of cultures. This beautiful flower has antibacterial properties, a rich source of antioxidants, which will prevent cell damage from free radicals if you didn't know. The health benefit most commonly appreciated from sorrel is it lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, which makes it great for diabetics. It helps protect your liver from damage caused from diabetes or alcohol, as well as protects your kidney because it plays as a diuretic. I am not a doctor. My sources will be linked in the description. This tea is easy to make. Just boil a pot of water, add a little bit of the flour along with some spice like clove, cinnamon, and or ginger. Fresh ginger pills do give the best results, but if you don't have it like myself, then ground ginger is fine. Let it steep for 15 to 30 minutes. Add sugar to taste, and there you have it. This tea can be drink hot or cold, but in my opinion, this tea is literally the bomb when it's chilled. It is a tropical flower after all. If you are enjoying this video, please don't hesitate to hit the like button. What we have here is an adult spin to a childhood classic, ice cream floats. This is a recipe that I found from the Flavor Blender blog. The link to the recipe will be down below. It is a strawberry hibiscus margarita ice cream float. A mouthful, right? I have never had this, yet alone heard of this combination before, so I was curious. First, I made the hibiscus strawberry syrup. Let the mixture simmer till thickened, cools on the counter, and then you can transfer it to the fridge to set overnight. Next, I added a shot of Bacardi to the syrup because I am not a fan of tequila. Therefore, I did not have it on hand. So if you want to consider my version to be a colada of some sort, it will be appropriate. The recipe called for salted lime sherbet, but I could not find sherbet that was only lime. This rainbow flavor does contain lime, so I just separated the lime part to use. add about half a can of Sprite as well. And there you have it. It does give ice cream float vibes with the Sprite and the lime sherbet combo. I like how the tartness of the hibiscus complements the tartness of the strawberry. The hibiscus is a lot more subtle than the strawberry, but it still adds depth to the drink. I would recommend this drink to ice cream float and hibiscus lovers alike. But please remember to drink responsibly. Thanks for watching.